this stump, but with this tree growing out of it. It's beautiful. Dude, this is so awesome out here.
Yeah.
We're going for a walk here at Sequoia Park. Think we might walk all the way to the duck pond because I'm pretty sure it's been a few years since I've been down there and I want to check it out. I think something that is very easily forgotten and often has us not fully experiencing and enjoying God's creation is the haste that we go about. As I started this walk, I was in automatic awe and I felt this reverence to the Lord because all of this that is just so, it just shows his majesty to me and his power. And I'm thinking that we often embark in nature and we could, if we're not aware, it's an awareness. If we're not aware, we can just be snapping pictures and videos the whole time, or just be kind of just passing by in this, or focusing on, you know, our friends or our kids while we're in nature and we're really missing it. But it's just amazing. This stuff is crazy amazing when you start to really think about it and you walk with awareness and you know that God created all of this. These trees are just massive. Look at that one. I don't know. They say I'm weird. This stuff's crazy as I get older and I grow in the Lord. It's just amazing to think about and to not even have to think about, just to experience. And a prayer that I pray about is living in the fullness, experiencing things fully. So I see the first mushrooms in forever. Look at that.